Okay, so now we're going to talk, and I'm going to show you essentially how we deal when there's different types of objections. Okay, so this one in particular is how you deal with a neighbor that's coming in and taking a look around, and there's going to be a bunch of different things that you can do, but the premise is always going to be the same. Okay, we'll talk about it after I show you this example. Hey, welcome to our open house.
Hi.
What brings you by?
I just live right across the street.
Fantastic, fantastic. What's your first name?
It's Angel.
Angel, okay. And your phone number?
Actually, do I need to get my phone number? I just kind of wanted to pop in. I'm just a nosy neighbor.
Yes. So all we're doing is just gathering the information. You know, the owner wants to make sure that we gather everybody's coming in. And I promise you, we're not going to bug you. We're not going to do that. We just simply need to register everybody that comes in.
Sure.
Perfect. So phone number?
602 480
0000. Fantastic. You're going to get a 4-digit code. And
Okay.
can you read it off to me, please?
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, welcome in and let us know if you guys have any questions.
Great.
Come
Thank
on
you.
in. So, guys, what you notice is that there isn't a lot of explanation that you need to do, and being assertive when you're delivering this is going to be the most important part. All right. Now, you're going to have all different types of variations. You know, people are going to come in and tell you, hey, I just want to look at the house. I've seen this house come up, you know, for months. You know, I knew the neighbors living here, etc. Whatever. It doesn't matter. The objective is always the same. Now, why is it important? It is important because if you let one person come in without verifying their information, that means you're going to do it again. And that is essentially what we're trying to avoid altogether. Okay, so we'll talk a little bit more about other objections on the next video. Talk to you soon.